tí àwa sì ti rí ọ̀nà gbà nípa ìgbàgbọ́ sí inú oore ọ̀fẹ́ yìí nínú èyí tí àwa gbé dúró, àwa sì ń yọ̀ ní ìrètí ògo Ọlọ́run. Kìí sì ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ nìkan, ṣùgbọ́n àwa sì ń ṣògo nínú wàhálà pẹ̀lú nígbà tí àwa jẹ́ ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀ Kristi kú fún wa. Mélòó sì ni tí a dá wa láre nísinsìnyí nípa ẹ̀jẹ̀ rẹ̀ ni a ó gbà wá là kúrò nínú ìbínú nípasẹ̀ rẹ̀. Ǹjẹ́ nígbà tí a là wá ní ìjà tán ni a ó gbà wá là nípa èyí. Ṣùgbọ́n àwa ń ṣògo nínú Ọlọ́run nípa Olúwa wa Jésù Kristi, nípasẹ̀ ẹni tí àwa ti rí ìlàjà gbà ní tí ń bọ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n kì í ṣe bí ẹ̀ṣẹ̀, bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni ẹ̀bùn ọ̀fẹ́. Nítorí àti ẹ̀bùn nínú oore ọ̀fẹ́ ọkùnrin kan, ìdájọ́ ti pasẹ̀ ẹnìkan wá fún ìdálẹ́bi.
Death of Christ. That it's easy to die because of a righteous. That though it's difficult, but it's possible to die because of a righteous person. But because of a sinner, for someone to die, humanly speaking, it's impossible. But God did this for us, that we are a sinner. He now gave up his son to die because of our sin.
So tí ibi tá a kà lẹ́nu ló tọ́ pé ní ikú ní èrè ẹ̀ṣẹ̀. Did you listen to that particular place? Why?
That's consequences for sin. Okay. And that's the death that he's talking about there is not the physical death, it's the eternal death.
Okay.
It's eternal death.
It's eternal death.
Yes.
Hidden. So let us get that right. It's not because of you. Now it has been. And the Bible says, for all man have sinned and come short of the glory of God. What?
Only because of our sin. Why is death now still the wages of death? Since
that the death they are talking about is flesh, not the one of the spirit. That when you are a sinner, you are still living with in the flesh.